In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a banner header on a Wix website. We'll walk through this step by step using the Wix editor so you can create a clean, professional banner that sits right in your site's header area. First, log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you should land on your site's dashboard. If you see a setup or main dashboard view, that's perfect. In the top right corner of the screen, look for the option that says Edit Site and click it. This will open the Wix editor where you'll make all your design changes. Inside the editor, move your attention to the left-hand panel. Here you'll see a small plus icon labeled Add Elements. Go ahead and click that. A panel will slide open showing different types of elements you can add to your site. From this list, choose Strip. Strips are flexible sections you can use as banners, and they're ideal for headers. Browse through the available strip designs and pick one that fits the style and purpose of your banner. When you click a design, it will automatically be added to your page. You can now drag and drop this strip to reposition it wherever you like. If the strip looks too tall or too thin, you can adjust its height. Hover your cursor over the top or bottom edge of the strip until the resize handle appears, then click and drag. Dragging down from the top or up from the bottom will make it thinner. Reversing that will make it taller. Take a moment to get the height just right for a header banner. Next, it's time to customize the content. If you already have text, images, or buttons on your page, you can simply drag and drop them onto the strip. Otherwise, open the Add Elements panel again and add new text, images, or buttons directly onto the strip. This is where you can place your logo, navigation buttons, a call to action, or a short announcement. You can also change the strip's background. Click on the strip, then select Change Background. A pop-up will appear with three main categories: color, image, and video. Click through each one to see your options. For images and videos, you can use your site files, media from Wix, stock libraries, AI-generated options, or upload your own from your computer. Choose something that matches your branding and keeps the header readable. Finally, to turn this strip into a true banner header, drag the strip upward into your existing header area. Keep dragging until you see a small Attach to Header notification appear at the top center of the editor. When you see that message, release the strip. It will now be part of your site's header, appearing consistently across the pages that use that header. And that's it. You've successfully added and customized a banner header on your Wix website.